Assalamualaikum everyone. So today we are going to discuss part B from our assignment question. So this is the question. So based on figure 1, we must sketch all the symmetries formed by the 3 petals of the spiderwort flower. And question 2, based on 1, define the relation for each of the symmetry. And the last question is identify whether each of the relation in 2 is reflective, symmetric, or transitive. So firstly, from the flower, so we first must sketch the flower. So we already sketched the flower, but it is much easier if we just pusing 360 darjah. So there are 2 version that we draw, but rasanya semua setuju that we are going for the B, right? Kita go for the sketch for number B because firstly it is symmetry. Kalau kita potong tengah, it is symmetry instead of A sebab dia potong, bila dia potong sebelah sini dia tak jadi symmetry. So this is our sketch for question number 1. This is our answer for sketch number question number 1. 1. Salah pula. So next is question number 2. Define the relation for each of the symmetry. And number 3, identify whether relation or reflective, symmetric, or transitive. So we can go to number 1. Anyone want to try? Siapa?
Let me try this one. Let's start out. Okay, the first thing is the first thing we have to do is, since we have 3 petals on flower, so let us define each petal with alphabet which is A, B, and C for each petal. And then, okay, A, B, and C. And from the first symmetry line, when we fold the flower, we can see that the petal, the A petal will meet with his own petal, which is A meet with A, and we can also see B petal will meet C petal. The B will meet C, and of course we're going to write again C meet with the B. Yeah, and that's it. And now for its relation, you can see that A, it's not effective. It's not effective. Not. Yeah, I think it's reflective since A. Oh, it's not reflective.
It's not reflective.
It's not reflective. It's not reflective.
It's symmetry.
Yeah, symmetry. And last one, it is transitive.
It's not transitive.
Not. Oh, not transitive. Sorry, guys.
For this pipe, there are 3 A, B, C, and then the coordinates for when they fold, they can meet each other. A meet C. Then B. C. And C meet A. Okay, so for the reflective symmetry, it's not reflective. It is symmetry and not transitive.
And for the R3 part, it's the same. We will use A, B, and C for each petals. And for the line, when we fold it, we can see that the C is mid C. C is mid C. B mid A. And A petal mid B petal. The relationship for this part is not reflective, symmetrical, and symmetry, and not transitive.
So for the next part is the rotation. So for 300, as we know that there are three petals, so we divide the three petals, 360 for whole divided by 3, and we get 120. So the first part is 360. So as we can see here, we choose another petal for guidance. So firstly, as you can see here, it's actually A, B, and C. So the first part is A, meet with A. Next is B, meet with B. And C, meet with C. So it is reflective since there are AA, BB, and CC. So it is reflective. Also symmetric. And transitive because AA, BB, and CC. Okay, next.
Okay, for the next one, we're going to rotate the flower in 120 degrees. The location for each petal changed, has changed. And now when we do the line asymmetry line, the relation will be A will meet with B, B, okay. A will meet with B will meet C, and C is going to meet with A. Okay, now since there are no petal that meet with their own petal, so the relation will be not transitive. Not transitive, not reflective, and it is symmetric. Yeah. Okay.
So for the 240 degree, the relation is firstly it's A meet with B. Next is B meet with C. Next and lastly C meet with A. So it is not reflexive, it is symmetric, and it is not transitive. So I guess that is the answer for part B. Anyone have any other questions? So I guess we can wrap our discussion. So thank you everyone for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.